Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your graphics hardware supports 4 displays, check ports and driver compatibility. Once done, power off everything, connect each monitor to its assigned port, and use active adapters or a DisplayPort MSD hub if a single port must drive multiple screens. Make sure cables are secure and monitors are powered. You want the physical layout to match the logical arrangement, so label inputs and note which cable goes to which monitor. This avoids confusion when configuring displays in software. You now configure software to make the 4 monitors act as one workspace. In your OS display settings, choose Extend or Enable Span/Infinity/NVIDIA Surround to treat screens as a single large desktop. Next, open the GPU control panel to match resolutions, refresh rates, and perform bezel compensation so windows flow naturally across screens. Make sure orientation and physical order match. Then set the combined desktop as your workspace. Once everything applies, test by dragging a window. Finish by saving a display profile and rebooting to ensure settings persist. You should test with a full-screen application or a large desktop wallpaper to verify seamless spanning. If you encounter flicker, misalignment, or drop displays, check cables, update GPU drivers, and confirm the hub or adapter is active and powered. Bandwidth limits can force lower resolutions. As a quick troubleshooting step, swap ports and cables to isolate which component fails, and make small adjustments to scaling and refresh rates to restore stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.